that bad taste, and I was.
Oh God.
Water just went down my shirt. I couldn't either.
Allison.
Come on. Me and Aaron's over here like dying.
Cinnamon tasted good.
I thought it did too.
Tastes good on cinnamon rolls.
Get something to make them laugh. If I do make me laugh, I'm going to have
Allie, get your gum.
I don't want it anymore. I need to try some.
Come on, guys.
Oh, I spit cinnamon in my water. So, here you go.
I don't want your gum on my arm.
Allison, do you still have it in your mouth? I stepped in it.
Look at her face.
They're teenagers. I apologize. And I don't know what they're doing.
Cinnamon challenge.
They're doing a cinnamon challenge. I don't get it.
I know, there's gum on my arm.
You're leaving me.
Allison, why are you holding your spoon there?
Allison, move your spoon.
Oh, out of here.
Go in the bush.
Ew, this is a public area.
Public urination.
Really? No water, numbnut.
Wait, we're supposed to try to swallow it.
Allie didn't know you're supposed to swallow it.
I mean, I knew. It didn't start burning, so I just spit it out.
Okay,